guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to measure your nails using just tape and a ruler. So I have already written here on the sheet of paper for my left hand and my right hand. I just have some tape here and I have a ruler, and you're gonna need a Sharpie or a marker. How we get started is you need to measure all of your fingers on both hands because sometimes they don't exactly match. So you just take some tape and you put it on your nail and make sure to press it down on the sidewall and the crack there. So you have it here and it's pressed down from the sidewall and the nail bed. And what you do is you measure on the widest part of the nail. So for me right here, it's gonna be right there. I'm gonna mark it, and right here. And so then I remove the tape. And I'm just gonna stick it on the piece of paper. Then I am going to go to my pointer finger. So I'm just, again, pressing down in the crack. So then again, I'm gonna measure on the widest part of my nail. Between where the crack is, where I made that crease. And so this would be my thumb, pointer, do middle, ring, and pinky. And do my middle finger. And again, pressing down in the crack really good. Make sure it has a crease in there, or as close to a crease as it'll allow. Then widest part of the nail on both sides. Now I'm gonna go to my ring. Widest part. Sorry if the lines are kind of weird over here. I am actually left-handed, so it is kind of hard to write with my right hand. All right, and so now I'm just gonna repeat this on my right hand. Going by pressing down, measuring the widest part. Measure the widest part. I don't know if that's blurry or focused, but hopefully you can see that. Do my middle finger. Ring. lastly, my pinky. Okay, so now that I have all of my pieces of tape here marked, now I'm gonna take my ruler and I'm gonna make sure that it's on the millimeter side, and I am going to line it up so that it's lined up with this first line here, and then I'm just gonna count the number in between. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so then my thumb is 14 millimeters, and I'm gonna do this with all of them. So I'm just gonna go through and count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's 11 millimeters. And if you find that some of these are kind of in between, I would suggest that you go ahead and size up. It's always best to size up because you can file the nails down on the sides if you need to. Do not order the smaller size because it could be too tight. And so I'm just gonna repeat the process with all of my fingers. And so for this one, I got 8.5 millimeters. I will round this down to 8. Only because the smaller the number, the bigger the nail. So I will round this to 8 just to be on the safe side because I can always file it down. So then I will just repeat this from my right hand. And sometimes the measurements are the same, but you still just want to go in and count just to be sure. So I have the same here, 14. And I have the same over here. And this one is the same as well. That one is the same as my left. And then I actually got 9 for this one. So my pinkies are 2 different sizes. I have an 8 on this side and I have a 9 on this side. And so if that ever happens, then all you have to do is when you're placing an order, you will select custom for your size. And when you get to the checkout, there's a box at the bottom that says add a note to your order. And you will put the sizes that you got in that box. So this is how you size your nails using tape and a ruler. And if this video was helpful, please like, and please put down in the comment section what else you guys would like to see next. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.